So this black owned business is near and dear to my heart, and I'm gonna tell you about all of that. But y'all know, if I'm gonna do a haul, it's gonna be for the feet, because y'all know I love my sneakers, okay? What's up, sweetie fam? Welcome back to my channel. I am Forever Patra Denise. Get into it, okay? Produced by Zenny Productions. This here is my sweet tea. Just because it's tea does not mean it's gossip. Hey. And if you have not been here before, go down to the subscribe button, click the bell so you can be notified, because I do drop a video every Thursday at 4 p.m. But I do drop crazy bonus content, like, often. That's not on Thursday. That's why you need to click the bell. On this channel, we talk about sneakers, luxury lifestyle, and fashion. Okay, like, get into it. So that's why you need to subscribe and click the bell, because we talk about all of that, okay? All of that. Now, on today's video, I'm doing a haul from a black-owned business who is near and dear to my heart. So Tippy Toez is a sock brand, and it's my cousin, okay? So it's my cousin Tiffany, and y'all know I love socks. Y'all know I love sneakers. Socks go inside of sneakers. Y'all see where I'm going with this, full circle, right? And when I was thinking about my like spring and summer looks, I was like, y'all know I'm gonna be coming out with all the sneaks, okay? With all my sneaks, old ones, new ones, whatever the case may be. But something I have not invested in is just some really cool socks. I love my just solid color socks, but I love a sock that can say something about your look, okay? So I reached out to my cousin, and she, you know, hooked me up, okay? She hooked me up. And I do want to say that I'm the person, if I'm going to invest in something for myself, I'm going to buy it. So these weren't like, I don't have like a brand deal or partnership with her. I pay for them because she's a black owned business. She's a mother. I wanted to invest into her business, which is why I pay for her. She was having a sale going on, or should I say, it was like I used a discount code. So that was just like the right timing. And I'm really happy with the way the socks look. I bought 6 pairs of socks, and I'm just really happy with the way everything looked. They shipped quickly. I purchased them like on a Monday evening, early Tuesday. She shipped them out on Thursday, and then they got to me like Saturday morning. So perfect. She is in the Chicago area, and she does have a website. The website was very easy to manage through. Nothing difficult or, you know, too over the top. Perfectly talked about who she was and her socks. And let's just get into what these socks look like. I am so excited to, you know, just have some really cute socks with my sneakers, okay? And let me tell you, like, baby, I dresses down, okay? Dresses down. Why was it so hard for me to find the right sneakers to go with these socks? Like, if it's gonna be something I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get dressed. But what we not gonna do, we not gonna act like you don't wear sneakers on a regular basis, okay? I mean, look behind me, like, duh, right? So I don't know, I had to call my husband in here because he's also a sneaker connoisseur, a collector. So I'm like, I got these socks, like, I really need to match them. So he helped me match the shoes with the socks, so shout out to him. Every sock I'm gonna talk about, but you're also gonna see me match the socks with my current collection, okay? So let's get into it. So here is the packaging that I received from Tippy Toez. And look, let me show you. Look how cute her logo is. Tippy Toez, and her website is www.tippytoez.net. And yeah, nicely packaged, and she got the handle with care on the package. So shout out to Cuz for that. So let's get into the socks. So these are the 6 pair of socks that I purchased. All of them had some type of wrapping on them. However, with me kind of like shuffling through them, either the wrapping came off, so that's why you see these two without wrapping. Actually, one is right there on the floor, y'all. But they all came with like this wrapping, Tippy Toez, and or in the plastic. So definitely handled with care. and I appreciate that as well as a consumer. So this is the first pair of socks I received with my order, and this was the first one I put in the, I'll be honest, I put in the cart, which they have little sneakers on them. Isn't that super cute? Like, socks with sneakers is like A1. Like, your socks have to match your sneakers. So duh, why wouldn't I get a pair with sneakers on them? Now, I did not have a pair of sneakers that like match this look. I wish I would have, but I didn't. But I really do like this style with the multiple sneakers on them, because I'm a sneakerhead, duh. So the next sneaker I got is Tasmanian Devil, and that is one of my favorites outside of Lola Bunny, one of my favorite Looney Tune characters. I'm just gonna show you. Look at that, ain't that cute? I just thought these were so cute. Now, one of the reasons I got these socks is because I did last year cop the LeBron James 18 Low Looney Tune release. It is Wile E versus the Coyote, and I was like, oh, this just definitely goes with the whole vibe. Now, I actually bought 2 other Looney Tune socks, but I bought them for other reasons, and I just thought with this color scheme it went directly with those sneakers, so that is why I bought the Tasmanian Devil. But Tasmanian Devil is my favorite Looney Tune character. I mean, if you know, you know. So that is the reason why I bought them. But I like that you can see the character outside of the sock. Like, you can see why you put the 2 together. That's the reason why, you know, I bought the longer socks. Because she had some that was just like unisex, but then she also had some that was like a little bit longer as well. And so I like that you can see the type of sock it is with the shoe. So like the shoe won't cover the sock, like it's not that low, right? It's game over. I like the color of this sock, like that blue and the black with a little hint of yellow. I thought these would really go with my Yeezys. That's honestly what I thought about when I grabbed these socks. But look at that. Ain't that cute? And she has so many other ones. It was hard for me to decide. I'm going to be honest with you. She had so many other ones. But this one says game over. And if you know, my sneaker collection is not to be played with, okay? Now, is it as good as some other females? No, some other females have a huge collection. I'm a very unique person, so my collection speaks for me, like it says for me. So I don't get every release. It's not even about money for me. It's about what my taste is for sneakers. If that makes any sense. Does that make any sense? Which makes me a very unique sneaker collector. Okay. So the next pair of socks I had to get, let me tell you, she had a whole collection of like Black History Month, Juneteenth type of socks, and I tried to get all of them, but they was all sold out. So what I did was, before when I was ready to check out some of the ones that I wanted before, because I had already like put you know how you put stuff in your shower cart but you don't check out, and so I did that like a few days before. But then when I went back, the other, like, you know, African printed socks were gone. They were all sold out. But this actually goes with some shirts that I made for me and my daughters for Black History Month. I mean, not for, well, yeah, actually for Black History Month and for Juneteenth. So this actually matches my sweater that I have, my crew neck sweatshirt. Plus, it also matches perfectly with my Nike Blazer Low Off-Whites that just came out. And I'm going to link that video right here so y'all can go check that sneaker review out, because such an amazing sneaker. Like, the craftsmanship just, chef's kiss. So this was perfect. And as y'all know, those shoes have like holes in them. And so to have this sock, this print peeping out, I mean, if you was going to say something was a person, right? So that's why I chose this sock with those shoes. Now, here's the thing. When I bought these socks, I did not know I was going to be able to cop the Off-Whites, the Nike Blazer Off-White lows. So it just timing. God's timing. Perfect. God's plan. God's plan. So the next I have, and I purchased these specifically for, you should already know, my cool grade 11s. Now, if there was a release that I ever really wanted to come out, it's the 11. the cool grade 11, because I had them when I was in high school 20 years ago, literally 20 years ago. And they released on their 20-year, 20-year anniversary. So why not, baby? When I tell you I'm going to rock the socks off of these socks with my cool grades. Now I do have other sneakers that matches this actually. So I have the Air Jordan 6s mint foams. Yeah, I have those, and those actually would go with this. This blue is a little more bluer than greener for the mint color. However, it still can rock. But yeah, right? It's definitely given. Who don't love Bugs Bunny? Bugs Bunny is the hottest guy of Looney Tunes. And for the summer, I thought this was just a really good vibe for the summer. And the way they put this coordination together color-wise, I literally gravitated toward it. It's like I was immediate, like, let me put this in my cart. I got to have these. Let's get into this sock. And I did not hesitate to purchase this sock because who don't like Daffy Duck? Like, and the first thing I thought about was my Air Jordan 1 High OG Pollins. And y'all know I'm not an Air Jordan 1 girl. Like, everybody be Air Jordan 1, Air Jordan 1, Air Jordan 1. Put some respect on my name, okay? I do cop them from time to time. Time to time. Time to time. Wait a minute. Is that... No, it's not another pair. But a pair goes right there. So, but that's what I saw when I saw these. And I was like, ooh, okay. But these also would be really cute with my Nike Blazer low off-whites. Some all-white Air Force Ones. I also have the... You can't see it right here, but those are the Air Jordan 11 Jubilees that came out in December of 2020. So this, I thought of so many different pair of shoes that I could wear with this. This also would go with my cool grays too. So I was like, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cop these. Again, all of these socks fit well. They looked good. And as a sneakerhead, the one thing you gonna get with your sneakers, especially in the spring and the summertime, because you can, put them legs out, them thighs out, is a good pair of socks. You gotta have fly socks with your sneakers like that. It go hand in hand. You ain't know? Duh, right? So, y'all, shout out to my cousin Tiffany. Y'all go and shop with her. All my sneakerheads, go and shop her. Tell her Forever Patra Denise sent you. Okay, yo, cuz Patra, tell her Forever Patra Denise sent you. Go and shop with her, y'all. Good business, black owned business. Quick, shipped well. Everything was packaged nice. There was no smells or anything. Because, y'all, I've had things that smell literally like a dog sat on it. Or cigarettes. Because I guess the person smoked cigarettes. And terrible. Everything, it smelled good. It looked good. It was packaged well. Shout out to my cousin Tiffany. And that's my first cousin on my dad's side, who has some amazing socks. And yeah, I'm gonna have to get on there. I really want those, like, some more Black History Month socks, because I have like 2 or 3 other Black History Month shirts, or like Juneteenth shirts. And then I have shirts that like just solid color. Like, I could really just do some things, okay? But y'all, comment down below which pair of socks was your favorite, and if you think I should have picked a different shoe with that particular sock, okay? If you have not been here before, go down to the subscribe button, click the bell so you can be notified, because I do drop a video every Thursday at 4 p.m. And you want to click the bell because I drop crazy bonus content all of the time, okay? All of the time. As I told you before, on this channel we talk about sneakers, luxury lifestyle, and fashion. This is the place to be for all of that. Y'all, I'm Forever Patra Denise, and y'all be sweet.